Where is my son? My prince?
I have not seen him today.
Since when?
Since this morning. Anything wrong?
There's no problem, but I want to see him. I want to see my son. Okay, where is Oster? Where is Oster?
Go and call Osita. Run!
How can that man, when I want to see my prince, I can't see him? No, I can't take this. I can't take this.
Your Highness, you sent for me.
Oster, where is my son, the prince?
Your Highness, he went out a few hours ago with one of the guards.
To where?
I'm sorry, Your Highness, I don't know where.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, my queen.
You are the chief guard of this palace, and I want you never to allow this boy to go out alone. Should anything happen to him, you know what I'll do to you.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. He didn't go out alone. One of the guards followed him.
He went with one of the guards. Now go and call that boy called Dweke. Go and call him for me.
Immediately, run!
Yes, Your Highness. Let's go.
That I cannot see my son anytime I want to see him?
This boy, at least he should have, tell us before going out.
Igwe.
Young man, where is my son?
Igwe, he went Ibute to grace the coronation of Prince Osondo.
You are not serious.
Yes, Lolo. He came to invite me, but I said no, knowing fully well the risks involved.
Then why did you go with him?
I did not go with him, oh. He went alone.
All right. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you, Igwe.
Don't worry, he will come back.
Thank you.
You
Thank
can
you,
go.
Lolo.
You can now go.
Thank you, Igwe.
I warned that nobody from this household should grace that occasion. Even after that, my son still went ahead.
Prince is really taking us for granted. We are doing all these things because of his own safety.
Agozie,
Father,
where have you been?
I was at Prince Osondo's coronation ceremony.
So you went? Agozie, what did I tell you about this ceremony?
Father, you said that nobody should go, but...
That sounds
Father,
right.
Mom,
Please, don't mind me. Your father, I and the entire royalty are striving hard for your own personal security. You've developed wings. You cannot fly like a mosquito.
Let today be the last day you act against my decision. Now, get into your room. Get into your room fast. Osita! Osita! Let today be the last day you will assign any guard to follow my prince without knowing where.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Sorry for yourself. Now get out of this place. Get out!
Will you go out here?
What is happening in this palace?
They are really taking us for granted in this palace.
Ah! Let's go.
Sitting just beside the elder's position. Yes, and you should know there was so much crowd. It was indeed a very wonderful coronation.
Yes, I lost to eat, I lost to drink. It was just so wonderful.
Let me go back to the palace. I was sent out an errand. I'll see you girls later. Bye.
Well, as I was saying, this life we live in is full of ups and downs. Bound with oppressed, suppressed. In some cases, brutalized, or even traumatized. In fact, you may have to face tribulations. It's only when you are able to weather this storm they can now mature into ladies of promise. I give you my words. You always have to be hardworking, respectful, obedient, diligent, and above all, self-discipline, which is an epitome of character trait.
But Daddy, why is it that this world is full of evil, wickedness and atrocities?
My dear, it has been so since creation. You see, the lust for money and material things increased in geometrical progression.
Dad, we don't have a male brother. At least someone that is like our own blood brother.
Yeah. I'll let you go into that at the appropriate time.
Dad, we rarely go home. The last time we visited home was 6 years ago. Why is it so?
Something happened to me several years ago, and I want to remember everything like that. When I had my first issue, a male child at that, I gave his name as Jewel. The euphoria of a newborn baby made us with my beautiful wife to travel home to go and celebrate his arrival with my people, not knowing that calamity was going to befall us along the line. When we got home, we thought we were safe, only for the worst to happen. 2 days after, just 2 days, Joel, for no explicable reason, died mysteriously. Went to even making use of men. So naturally, I and my wife were brutalized. I was brutalized. You can imagine the trauma, the psychological trauma that goes with such experience. And I tell you something, that ghost has haunted me till today. And I have vowed never to go home with any of my kids to avoid the repeat occurrence. I feel bad till I remember it. My only male child.
Dad, don't worry. We still love you.
Well, I cherish all of you, my daughters. Despite of the fact that people make mockery of me that I'm without a male child. But I want people to prove to the world that with you, you can achieve even more than what married children can achieve. That's why I have given out all my life towards making sure that I give you the best of training, the best of education, the best of exposure for you to get up there, become what you want to become in life, and silence all critics. Are you promising me that? I will say, I will make sure that the sky won't be your limit, you're going to really go to the heaven. Okay? Good.
Thank you so much. Came to fetch firewood?
Yes.
And I presume you're not from this community?
No. I came from Ibute land.
You came all the way from Ibute to come and fetch firewood in Analude?
Yes, no.
You're not afraid of what will happen to you?
Afraid of something? You know I'm a woman.
No, I know you're a woman. That is where the risk is. All these boys, they can do you anything. People of Analude and Ibute, they are not in good for you to come here to start fetching firewood. Eh? And besides, you came alone.
I don't see anything bad about it.
What is your name?
I'm Nneka.
What of your mother?
She's fine.
Who is your father?
Late Mazebuka.
Oh, Mazebuka?
Yes.
The great hunter?
Yes.
Ah, you would have told me now. He was my father's friend when he was alive.
I don't even know.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, start going now. Start going.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi.
So now you've seen what it means to be.
Okwaya. When I was telling you that I'm in love with Princess Sunday, you were fighting me, shouting at me. I will help you, but it has to be one thing. Would you want me to marry Princess Sunday?
Don't worry, let me help you.
No, it's not to help me and do this thing. You don't to allow me to marry Princess Sunday. That's the thing.
Keep that one aside first.
I should do that. You have to accept it. Yeah.
Okay, let's finish this one now. Then you help me talk to the girl.
No.
Let me just help you.
You have to agree to my own.
Biko, let me just pour the water.
Now you're happy.
Yes, I'll help you do anything though.
Every time trouble. I'm tired. After dropping those waters, rush to the farm. Gather some firewood for me. As you can see, we don't have enough firewood here. Ijoma, what's your problem? We are just coming from the stream. You are telling us to go to the farm and get firewood. Who are you commanding, Ijoma? It's you and other fools. Auntie IJ, are you calling me a fool? If you are not a fool, then what are you? I'll tell my father. Wait. You just called us fools, Okay, wait. Girls, let us show this idiot. This idiot how fools behave when they are angry. Wait. Do you want to fight me? Just wait. Hey, after whining this my hand, by the time I finish whining this my hand, all of you, and you're going back. No, I'm not trying to run. Idiot today. You should stop.
Neka, like I was saying, my brother saw you when you came to fetch firewood and the kingdom. And ever since then, he has not rested. See, he told me he likes you very, very much. My brother is handsome and he's very intelligent. I mean, he can take good care of you. I'm telling you. See, I'm a girl like you and you know I will not deceive you. He likes you so much. Ever since he set his eyes on you, he has not rested. He has told me in confidence that he likes you and would want to marry you. Even now, like if you just say yes, like just tell me yes, believe me, everything is done. He will just do everything for you. Okay? I would like you to say yes, please.
Olima, I've heard you.
So, is that a yes?
I can't say. Don't forget to give Papa. As I was saying, those children are giving me serious headache.
My daughter's children are like that. They are all like that, my daughter.
Well, Mama, you can go back. Let me run along before Chief comes back, Take care of yourself,
My daughter, come. The Wadibe said that you should sprinkle this one on Chief's food. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this one, we use it and wash your face.
My face?
Every morning for 3 days. Do you hear me? Chief will continue loving you. Anything you ask, he will do it for you, my daughter. But make sure nobody sees you.
Thank you, Mama.
Take care of yourself. Oh, no?
Oh, yeah. Papa, you don't know the kind of wife you are about to get married to.
How do you mean?
Papa, when you are around, she behaves like a saint. But immediately you are out of this house, she turns into a tigress. I do this one. I do this one. I could come here, shout up and down to... Papa, I'm tired though. I'm tired of this. Oh.
Don't worry. Let her continue. Let her continue. Papa, this house, I'll show her fire for fire. I'll show her fire for fire very soon.
Papa, what they are saying is right. She is not a marriable material, to be honest with you. Papa, that girl, she is a demon. The daughter of Jezebel. That's what she is, so.
See, Papa, not just that, so. She's an embodiment of suspicion and unpredictable character.
Papa, I have an idea now. Papa, what we will do is, you will pretend to be out of this house, but you will hide at the back of that tree, so you will hear for yourself what your wife to be do to us whenever you're not around. Then I think you will believe.
Baby, I thought you have gone out when I did not hear your voice.
I was on my way to an age grade meeting when Aku called me back. Anyway, I'm off.
Okay. Mama, bye-bye. 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 Oh, you're coming back me up back. Alright.
Baba, that's what I used to buy.
You idiots. Idiot. You will soon join your mother very soon.
Huh?
That's a promise from me.
See, who paid your bride price? Major.
You are all fools. You are all fools. See, paying my bride price is in my hand. Your father is like a remote in my hand. I will just press it the way I like it. Pom, 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 pom. And if I want him to pay my bride price today, he will do it.
Igwe!
I am ready.
You don't need to talk.
I am
Let's
ready.
see how it happens.
Break it! Break it! What is it? Break it! Break it!
Agozi, why shout my name like that?
Break it! What did you tell my father?
That you went to Ibuta, of course.
And why did you have to do that? Why?
I'm on Nigerian. Anyway, as you can see, I'm very serious.
Will you come back here, Break? Come back! I'm talking to you. You know, I've discovered that if you extend your hand to shake a leper, the next time he will demand for an embrace. Break it. You're beginning to demand for an embrace.
What do you mean?
The fact that I choose you as a friend doesn't mean you should not count yourself as my equal. I am still the prince of Ananude.
Hey, Prince Agozi, like I said, I am very, very, very busy inside. Please, if you don't mind.
What's wrong with you? Come back here, Break it. Come back here.
Agozi, you slapped me.
That will tell you that we are no match.
Agozi, you slapped me.
Henceforth, I don't want to see you anywhere around me.
Agozi, hey! Agozi, you slapped. Oh! Agozi, you slapped me. You lay your dirty hands on me. Hey! Agozi, if not because of this useless thing on your head, you slapped me. Hey!
Look at that, warning.
Agozi, you slapped me. Hey! Agozi slapped me. Okay. Agozi slapped me. Slapped me. Hey!
Blackie, why this ugly looks on your face?
Papa, Agozi slapped me. Agozi slapped me, Papa. Hey.
Where did Agozi slap?
Here, Agozi came here and slapped me.
In my compound.
Papa, if not for one thing, no, just one thing.
Agozi slapped you in my compound. I see. You go to come. Let's go follow me.
here by this time of the day, all alone?
It's my mother. She was bitten by a snake in the bush. Please, my prince, I need you to help me. I don't want anything to happen to my mother.
A snake?
Yes.
Stop crying, let's go, okay?
Keep going.
Where?
She's there, somewhere there.
But I can't find anybody there.
It is time for you and your family to pay.
I am really missing him. What do I do? How do I see him now? How? I can't even go out to see him. Because my parents will kill me if they find out. Something has to be done. Something has to be done. I need to look for a way. Because I am really, really missing him. I can't stay without Osondo.
The familiarity between me and this is becoming too much, Amara.
Okay.
Want her?
It's okay now.
I make my hair now.
You will make you uncomfortable for that stupid.
What nonsense.
Hold on. Sisters, who knows who will be the next Ezawale of this kingdom?
Look at your mouth. You've not thought of how you will solve the calamity befalling your family. You're talking of who will become the next AZ of... My friend, play card for me, Jaren.
Sister Ada, what calamity is befalling our family?
Come on, leave my hair. What's wrong with you? See, I have warned you. Whenever I talk, you don't talk back at me. I want this girl, low.
Okay, so
want her. The familiarity between me and this is becoming too much, Amara.
Okay.
Want her.
It's okay now.
Every time you shout.
Come on, make my hair.
I'll make it uncomfortable for that idiot. Sister IJ, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam. Hi, guys. There's something I want to discuss with us.
Please now.
Not that I'm wicked, though.
Oh.
Hold on. Hold on.
Yep.
Hold on. Pick two.
Ha.
Pick two. Pick two. Go to market, my friend.
Please. Can we stop all this fighting and quarreling so that our enemies will stop laughing at us?
Play, 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 play. This game is becoming interesting.
Hello. Come, let's go to somewhere.
Oh, I'm enjoying this game. You
come back.
Follow me.
I want to tell me Auntie IJ.
The one and only, I don't know what to call her, IJ or whatever. She has just come to spoil my house. My children who loved me before are no longer loving me. Chukuna.
What is the matter? I've been looking for you all over the compound. Baby.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I said...
Who is your baby? Of course, you will stay here to call me baby again. You are going. You don't baby me any longer. You understand me? It's no longer business as usual.
Why are you acting so strange?
Shut up! When I'm talking, you don't talk. Whatever you must have done to twist me, you will get the repercussion. You understand me?
What is the problem now?
Children! Overeat!
Papa.
All of you, come.
Papa.
All of you. Hi, God.
Yes.
Hi.
Papa, we are here.
Whatever that belongs to this woman, throw them away or bundle everything back to her. You have parents. You are going on. I would invite Overheat to beat you up here now. Come on.
Baby.
Go home. You have just come here to say Mama is coming back now. Don't make the mistake of saying her until she comes here. Go.
I feel very unhappy these days. My people keep caging me as if I am a prisoner. Okay, even yesterday I couldn't sleep because I was thinking all through the night.
But why?
I am missing him. Don't you understand? You know we hardly see these days due to his kingship position. But I know he's also missing me. Because yesterday he sent one of his guards to my house.
It's okay, Olema. I understand that you love him and you do too. But why don't you visit him in his palace?
Ibute Palace?
You are shouting.
Why won't I shout? You want me to go there? For the Queen Mother to strangle me?
Listen. Prince Osando has proven that he loves and still cares about you by sending his guard to your place. It's your turn to do the same. Visit him. Queen Adowa is not that strict, even though we are not in order peace with their people.
I think you have a point there.
There's no other point, Uli. Visit him and tell him that you still love him.
What about my parents?
What about your parents? Go out secretly. Then when you come back, whatever thing that comes out of it, you face it with joy. The most important thing is to achieve your purpose.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let me just walk you, okay?
Thank you.
Take care. See you tomorrow.
Yes, Papa. Where is your sister?
That one? I don't know where she is. I've not seen her for some hours now.
You mean she did not tell you where she was going?
Maybe.
Okay, I see. Maybe she has gone to visit her friend, Aju. Yes.
Okay. Papa, I think I know where she might be.
Where?
I overheard her last night calling Osando. Maybe she dreamt of him last night and had gone to see him this morning.
Osando? Osando again?
Yes, Papa.
In this my house?
Yes, Papa.
She has gone to see Osando. This time around, if she comes back here, I'll cut off her neck. I will cut off her neck for leaving this house to Osando. I warned her many times about Osando. Why?
Oh, please, don't be angry.
Hey!
Let me go and see how she's faring.
What kind of nonsense is this?
I see that this girl wants to endanger herself. Oh? Let me check on her.
Oh, hey!
Mama, don't teach your mommy this morning. Don't teach your mommy. Mama, just look at what you did to me. You are the one that put me into this mess. What is all this? You just gave me that stupid charm. It just drained me out of Chief's house. You are the one that caused all this problem to me. What kind of mother are you?
I thought I was doing good.
Just respect yourself. Mama, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you.
It's not like that. I was doing good.
You thought you were doing good to me, See if I don't have all the suitors that came for my hand in marriage, you just chase them away out of your greed. You thought you were doing good to me, Mama. Oh God. No, you thought you were doing good. Where do I go from here? Look at what I did to myself. What kind of life is this? My own mother. God, please help me. Mama, my daughter, don't teach your mommy this morning. Don't teach your mommy. Mama, just look at what you did to me. You are the one that put me into this mess. What is all this? You just gave me that stupid charm. It just drained me out of Chief's house. You are the one that caused all this problem to me. What kind of mother are you?
I thought I was doing good.
Just respect yourself. Mama, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you.
It's not like that. I was doing good.
You thought you were doing good to me, See if I don't have all the suitors that came for my hand in marriage, you might just chase them away out of your greed. You thought you were doing good to me, Mama. Oh God. No, you thought you were doing good. Where do I go from here? God. Look at what I did to myself. What kind of life is this? My own mother. God, please help me.
My son, you mean that Osondo and Gwinadowa did this to you?
Yes, Papa.
Hey!
It's okay, I'm sorry. But you shouldn't have gone there in the first place.
Shut up! Why did you start an affair with the prince? Take it easy, oh!
And hello, the people have killed me. But the people have finished me. Hello, the people, the entire Elude community have humiliated me. This will be the end of it.
Oh! Papa, I'll take this now!
If you don't...
I will slap you now! I will slap her!
Nah, I'm not doing it again.
Come and do the same!
I'm not doing it again.
Uli!
I'm not doing it.
Uli. Come and do it.
Mother, stop fretting.
The horns will never be too heavy for the cow to carry.
No, son.
I can handle it, Mother. I can.
No, son. It's okay.
Eye of the gods, what brings you to the palace?
A man who does not know where the rain catches him usually gets drenched before he finds shelter. I have come to inform you that you have less than 4 market days to present your queen to the shrine for purification. Failure to do so, you know the obvious consequences yourself. As it has always been before, so it is now, and so it shall be forevermore.
I have heard you, wise one. I will do something very, very soon.
You better do. The eagle has perched on a shooting target. The light stone has gone up the roof. And the bald-headed must be very careful and cautious.
Please, wise one. Has the gods said anything about Ezeawele, or are they still silent?
Like I revealed before, someone there committed a crime worthy of death. The people of Saje Elude showed no concern as regards this case. And for that, a man was put to shame and denied of his right. Unless the perpetrator of this crime confesses his sins, the gods will continue to remain silent. And when the wrath of the God comes, everyone, I repeat, everyone must partake of it.
Wise one, your words are deep and strange.
It is not everything I understand that you mere mortals will understand. Neglect not my words, Igwe. Neglect not my words, Igwe. Neglect not my words.
You heard him?
I heard him, sir. What do you intend doing about that?
I will present my wife.
Call, sir. Ambience.
I have found the wife, and she is the one I will present before the shrine.
I am sure it's not that evil of a girl.
She is, mother.
You make me laugh, son. Under this pressure we are with your people, listen to me. Go out there and pick a wife, not a girl from Analude. This discussion...
Stop fretting. The horns will never be too heavy for the cow to carry.
No, son.
I can handle it, Mother. I can.
No, son. It's okay.
Eye of the gods, what brings you to the palace?
A man who does not know where the rain catches him usually gets drenched before he finds shelter. I have come to inform you that you have less than 4 market days to present your queen to the shrine for purification.
failure to do so, you know the obvious consequences yourself. As it has always been before, so it is now, and so it shall be forevermore.
I have heard you, wise one. I will do something very, very soon.
You better do. The eagle has perched on a shooting target. The light stone has gone up the roof. And the bald-headed must be very careful and cautious.
Please, wise one. Has the gods said anything about Ezeawele, or are they still silent?
Like I revealed before, someone there committed a crime worthy of death. The people of Saje Elude showed no concern as regards this case. And for that, a man was put to shame and denied of his right. Unless the perpetrator of this crime confesses his sins, the gods will continue to remain silent. And when the wrath of the God comes, everyone, I repeat, everyone must partake of it.
Wise one, your words are deep and strange.
It is not everything I understand that you mere mortals will understand. Neglect not my words, Igwe. Neglect not my words, Igwe. Neglect not my words.
You heard him?
I heard him, sir. What do you intend doing about that?
I will present my wife.
Cut, sir. Ambience.
I have found a wife, and she is the one I will present before the shrine.
I am sure it's not that evil of a girl.
She is, mother.
You make me laugh, son. Under this pressure we are with your people, listen to me. Go out there and pick a wife, not a girl from Analude. This discussion ends here.
No. You look moody this morning when I saw you before I went into my cabinet meeting. I hope all is well.
Igwe, there is a sad news.
Bad news?
Igwe, the village oldest man, Icha Osaba, is dead.
What? Eh? Dead Icha Osaba?
Yes.
He's dead. How did it happen?
His body was found lifeless along the road with a rope tied around his neck.
Hey! Hey! Rope tied on his neck? Who must have done this to the great Osaba?
The Butes, of course.
The Butes?
They killed him.
The Butes did. Hey! The Butes have stepped on the tiger's tail and will show them what fire does with the ear of a rat.
The gods must surely punish them.
Aye.
They cannot go free. Enough is enough.
The Butes. Oh, the great Osaba. Hi. My elders. I called for this short meeting because of the way things have been going in this our kingdom. I am no more happy the way things are going. Uno is not here at this meeting now. The death of Onuwu's wife and his son, is a terrible loss to us. The way people die in Analude, just like ants, is a terrible thing to us. Yet we have not done anything about it. Should we continue to fold our hands and watch Ibute people wipe us out?
No!
What do we do?
Igwe, I suggest we call out our warriors for a physical fight on this Ibute people. We cannot sit down and watch the Ibutes kill us like goats. Enough is enough. We cannot take it anymore.
No, Igwe. I disagree with what Ichalaka said. I don't encourage war, especially when it is not time for it. Remember, we are still looking for the post of Ezawere. And if we go for war, the Ezawere titles will be lost.
What title are you talking? Which Ezawere are you talking of? The time given to us by other surrounding villages will soon pass out. And this position will go to the people of Zaike. We must prove to the Ibutes that sharp gazes attract sharp steps. Period. How should we allow the people of Zaike to take it over? No! We can't do that. No way.
Igwe, I think I have a better idea for this. The best idea, if I may say. Why not go for a dibia? A dibia that will make the Ibutes forget everything about this Ezawere. In that case, after doing, that position should be ours, and all these killings will stop.
How effective can this dibia? When our sons and daughters are being killed, and that title is at stake, we look for a dibia. I don't think this will be effective. How effective is it?
Very, very effective. It's true. We will travel as far as Isikaka.
DK, you know that it will take more than 2 days to get to Isikaka?
I volunteer myself to go. The all we have to do is just assign 2 warriors to go with me because I know the way. Remember our people said, if a snail finds a splinter into its shell, it changes house.
So, what do you intend to do? You volunteer yourself?
Yes, you will.
You volunteer yourself. In that case, I will assign 2 guards to go with you, to accompany you to that place. When do you intend to go?
Igwe, no time is late, but I guess we'll leave as early as tomorrow morning.
I think this meeting is over. Igwe. DK, you are ready as planned.
I don't joke with my words, Your Highness.
Thank you very much. These 2 guards will go with you. But be careful as you go.
Thank you, Igwe.
But we await for your return. Our ancestors will clear the way for you.
You say,
go well.
Boys, let's go.
Help Johnny.
Things are really happening in this village.
I just wonder, people just die anyhow. What is really happening?
I don't know. Hey, for weeks now, I've not set my eyes on Osondo.
Which one is your problem now? That people are dying, or you've not seen Osondo?
Both, my dear.
The way things are going now, it's better you forget about him.
Ajulu, do you believe that the people of Ibute also have hand in things that are happening?
Am I now the chief priest? Anyway, I don't know, but I think they do. These days, our villagers no longer trade in the same market with them. In fact, the whole of Zaja Elude is in turmoil. I hear that people also die in Zaike. And rumor has it that it is so in Ibute.
Hey!
Who then should accuse the other?
May the gods come to our rescue.
The land has lost a rare gem. Going round that, the Anabibis are totally responsible for this ugly meanness. So, what do we do now? The Igwe's cabinet will soon deliberate on it, or possibly send for the chief priest. But the fact still remains that we've lost a great son of the soil. Hey! 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 Chai! Such a great man. Hey! Not just a great man, but the eldest man in this community.
My sisters, what is the latest? Hey,
that reminds me. Have you guys heard that King Gosondo has declared a 2-day mourning for Obele and Onyelum starting from tomorrow? As it stands now, the Ore market will not open and no one is expected to be seen there.
The king did what he's supposed to do. Obele and Noelum were important in the palace, so they deserve some possible respect.
But I just wonder what is happening, though. What is really happening?
My sister, let's be fast. Nobody
You
is
are
safe.
right, my sister. Let's go.
God bound.
Behold, Lala, Nedubu of Analude, make way.
And here stand, Queen Adu of Ibute. Let honor be given to whom honor is due.
Who speaks?
The chief palace maid of Ibute speaks. And now that you know,
you seem to forget that the soil of this land,
the gods made the soil, and it can never be shared to
be
anyone.
one.
On a good day, we shall meet.
On that day,
I, Lolo Ndedu, will crush you. We shall see who crushes who. Let me on that. Girls, let's go.
Hello, I welcome you once again. You deserve respect and praises for undertaking this journey for the benefit of the entire Analude people. May the gods bless you. Let us hear from you. I think our ears are itching.
Our journey to Isikaka was a success. Fortunately for us, we ran into a hunter of Isikaka who promised to help us. He took us to a man popularly known as Dibia Ogu. Even he told us that we should gather to any midnight of our choice, except the previous ones.
This sounds interesting. I think we have gotten the solution to our problem.
That's good. Ichebike. Tonight will be okay. We have no time to waste. Our people are dying day by day.
I have a suggestion to make. That when this Dibia comes, finishes his job, that we kill him. We'll make sure that the don't get to know what you know these people. When he goes, any other the people of Ibute will just come and buy him, and we will do the same thing for them, and then we'll be finished. We shouldn't trust him. He should die. That's my suggestion.
Like I said, this Dibia is very, very powerful. What if he managed to know?
Forget it. There's no way he'll find out. The plan is perfect. Without suspicion.
I think Alaka is right here. But how do we do it?
Oh, that's simple. We shall dig a hole, clear the debris, cover it with a mat, and place a seat for him to sit down there. After he must have finished the job for us. He will sit there, and that's the job is done. It's a perfect plan, without suspicion.
What are the requirements?
The white eagles, white hen, cola nuts, and a keg of palm wine.
Igwe, what do you say to me? Let me hear from you. Oh no. I think I agree with what he said. Igwe, my girls will do the digging and clear the area to avoid notice. Our meeting place will be behind the giant Utara tree before the village square. Igwe. My father Eda, you have to be.
I know you will say. Okay, let's. You are laughing. I know I will win you. Hey. Let's watch. I said it. I said I will win you.
Hey, okay, let's start.
I just reflect of what happened yesterday.
What?
Between Lolo Nedugo and Queen Adora yesterday.
Oh, that. Do you see how Queen boldly stood up?
I saw it.
Like a lioness. And challenged her.
That again.
Do you hear that? Obum?
I heard everything.
I will crush you.
Crush you. You know, sometimes I imagine what gave Queen Adora the guts, the effrontery to stand when Lolo Nedugo is standing. Come to think of it, are you sure Queen Adora does not have an evil motive? If not, what gave her the boldness to stand when Lolo Nedugo is standing?
It's too obvious that these people have plans.
Indeed. If I happen to be in the shoe of Lolo, I will not take any shit from anybody, not even Queen Adora.
Obum, Nene. Obum. You never seem Samis. Huh? Obum.
What are you trying to say? I'm telling you the truth. And that is the truth. If I happen to be in that shoe, take those shit. Baby, forget that. I'm telling you, that is my... It's better.
What are you both doing here when Lolo is inside looking for you?
Durike, I'm so scared about the things happening in this village.
Who in this village will not say the same thing? Who?
Well, may the gods come to our rescue. Because I don't just know what this village is trying to turn into. Please just me. What's the latest between you and Prince Agozie?
Me and that one. Now you, what is the latest between you and Prince Osondu?
But I asked you first, so tell me.
What do you expect? Nobody has time for each other in this village anymore. I'm so confused.
But even at that, I still love Prince Osondu. I miss him so much. I just wish you will understand.
So, if I ask you now to go to Ibute and visit the one you claim you love and miss so much, will you do that?
So you want me to go there so that they'll cut off my neck, eh?
I still love and miss this Sunday.
Nah, I love him. Must I go there before you know I love him?
Is there food in this house? I'm hungry. Not so funny.
Okay. You look sad. What is the problem?
I want you to tell me everything I want to know. Everything. What is our relationship with Ibundu? Why were you ostracized from that council meetings? And what led to the death of your brother? Papa, I need to know all these things, so.
How many questions at a time?
Papa, I don't want to know how many they are. Oh. I don't want to know. Why are you looking something like that from me now? Am I a woman?
Okay, well, I want you to give me attention. Listen very well. I have two brothers, or I had two brothers, Ochiaga and Echiche. You see, Ochiaga was supposed to be the next Igwe. But this is your present uncle, present Igwe now. Intentionally is not that.
Papa, is a lie.
Murdered him in cold. Bribed the cabinet members. Even bribed the chief priest, who later died after the coronation of Igwe Ndiokike.
This is serious.
As if that was not enough. When Ndiokike banished Echiche and ostracized me from the cabinet meeting.
This is wickedness.
My son. You see, as the guards were coming to come and move my banished brother, we had a meeting. I had a meeting with my brother. And the only thing that was in our hand was revenge. But first of all, I told him to go to another house. Yes. To go and stay there. That when the time for revenge comes, the people of the Ibutes placed the culprits on their leaders. That's how the confusion continued. Little did they know that I and my brother are behind the whole happenings. To revenge for what they did to us. See it? My son, it's not that we were planning to be that wicked or evil to anybody, but it was because of what they did to us. You understand? Because of what they did to us, we saw revenge as the only panacea. I've been waiting.
I know you had been waiting for me. Yes. That's why I was walking briskly. Yes.
The time is now. The time is now.
And who is to go? That's the question.
Ichie Osaba, the oldest man of Analude, needs to go. Yes. After him. Who next? Mazi Oboja, one of the reputable men of Ibute. Yes. They have to go.
I will deliver.
Eh?
I will deliver.
Hey.
Ambana.
Karwa kesho.
Alikuwa kesho.
The boys did wonderful job on the wife of Onowu and the kid.
Wanda, I tell you, the boys are professionals. They are professionals, wonderful people. And who is to go next?
You see, the chief guard and the chief maid, preferably.
Yes. Chief guard and chief maid.
Chief maid.
Of what benefit then?
That will serve as a shattering blow to the entire community. There will be confusion, total confusion. People will be disorganized, the West Palace is no more safe, the guard is gone, the maid, even other maids will be running helter-skelter because the chief maid is gone.
That is done.
That's what happened.
But you shouldn't have gotten this far. You went too far. You should have gotten too far with these killings. Now I know why you want me to get information about the council meetings from Prince Agozi. Now you see the trouble and confusion you've caused in the land. Yeah?
My son, I never knew it would go this far. I never. The blow they did to our family motivated our actions. And I'm very happy that we achieved our aim. I'm really happy. No matter how you look at it, I'm very happy.
Papa, you went too far. You would have allowed the gods to take revenge. Eh? You would have allowed the gods to take revenge now. Why would you take laws into your hands?
Where were the gods when these things happened?
Even at that, Papa, you went too far.
After all, the gods are still alive. And that's why we are still, the gods are still with us. And that's why we are alive today.
Papa, I don't like what you did. I don't like what you did, though. You started killing. See, now you...
What? How did you know you could get to that?
You went too far. The ghost would have handled it.
What says Hallelujah? I call Sadamanaya, okay, Chalago, Ole Muriki Jelib, Ole Muriki Jelib. Is it Kotabi Koya? Homata Blue, Homata Blue. Emma wana mama na nsiko na wajabu nene. Emma wana mama wana na nsiko na wajabu nene. Inna mune jakata miji Ivanya fulodogu. Bodike ubochogwa machodike. Ogwa nemele nwanyi nemele die malelie n'ụzọ abụrụ mafia biletie ni mmanwe. Obibanyo nya chogwa n'okwu. Obibanyo nya chogwa n'okwu. Onye chogwa n'okwu. Onye chogwa okwu mennekwu. Onye chogwa okwu mennekwu. Nnekwa na-egbu n'obi. Obibanyo obi ajagu. Ajagu eli ebu n'elie mkpi. Obibanyo obi ajagu. People of Zaja Elude, Igwe Okike is dead because of his crime, because of his atrocities, because of his evils against humanity. People of Zaja Elude, Igwe Okike is dead. He died because of his crimes. He died because of the atrocities committed against humanity. In his place, Ichienwandu should be coronated or crowned in the next Igwe. But because of his own crime, heinous crimes against humanity, because of the killings, because of the way he soiled his hands in blood, the gods have rejected him. And he must surely die. Balala wana balosonama, balala wana balosonama, ojembe wilo. Dueke, the son of Wando, is the rightful heir to the throne. And he should be crowned the King of Kings. Eze Awole, the gods have spoken. Hear it. Hololo mwana balo sonama, hololo mwana balo sonama. Anya gazine chakwa yo, ogugu omakwa, ojembe mwilo.
The atrocities you committed some years ago will find you out, and you were supposed to become a first community. But now you shall die. Die, you shall die. The atrocities you committed shall never set you free, and you shall surely die. You must die. The things you committed will soon find you out, and you shall surely die.
Hey,
Die.
Hey! Hey! How many children do we have?
I welcome you to my palace, King Osondu of Ibute.
I greet you, Lion of Zaja Elude Kingdom. I greet you. I have come on behalf of myself and the entire people of Ebute Kingdom to pay obeisance and felicitate with you as the gods have deemed please. Long may you live, my king.
It is well with you,
My king, I will also want to ask for a favor. That you, my king, will give your sister's hand to me. In marriage, if my king pleases.
The great leopard of Ibute land. Uli, step forward. We'll be indeed grateful to have you as our in-law. She's yours forever.
I greet you, the new queen of Honolulu.
I greet you to Queen Adowa.
May the gods guide you as you rule the entire people of Zaja Elude, my king.
Thank you, Queen Mother. I owe you a lot for this visit. May the gods be with you as you go back.
You're welcome. We live in peace, my king.
Thank you.
My queen, I greet.
Hi, king.
For the gods that elevated you to this position knows why. May they guide you as we look up to you. On behalf of my family, I sincerely apologize for what my late husband did to you. Please, find a space in your heart to forgive us.
I apologize for the pain we caused your family.
We no longer bear grudges against you or any member of your family.
Thank you.
As you can see, the gods have finally settled it.
Thank you, my king.
Agozie,
My king.
my friend you are, and my friend you will forever remain. Nothing is going to separate us again.
Thank you so much.
Igwe.
Thank you.
It's well with you.